Imagine unfolding the future with Apple's first ever foldable iPhone. The iPhone Fold is coming in 2026 and it's set to be their priciest model yet. Today on GadInsider, we're diving into the leaks and rumors about this premium game changer. Stick around, you won't believe what Apple's cooking up. GadInsider, your ultimate source for tech, gadgets, and the future of innovation. Apple's jumping into the foldable phone race with the iPhone Fold slated for a fall 2026 launch. According to leaks, this premium device could cost over $2,000, making it the most expensive iPhone ever. Let's break down what makes this foldable so special. The iPhone Fold is rumored to sport a clamshell design like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip with a durable liquid metal hinge for smooth folding. Expect a 6.1-inch external display and a larger internal screen when unfolded, perfect for multitasking or watching videos. It will likely pack hardware from the iPhone 18 series with an A20 chip and advanced Apple Intelligence AI. Why so pricey? Apple's aiming for the ultra-premium market with top-tier materials and tech. Think longer battery life, a crease-free display, and cameras that rival the iPhone Pro Max. But don't expect it to replace the Pro models. It's a new category for Apple, and they're going all in. Leaks suggest iOS 20 will optimize the foldable experience with split-screen apps and AR enhancements. Posts on X are buzzing about a possible WWDC 2026 reveal, with production shifting to India to dodge trade tensions. This is Apple's answer to Samsung and Huawei, and it's shaping up to be a stunner. Here's the catch. At $2,000+, it's a luxury buy. But fans on X say the hype's real. Apple's late to foldables, but they are coming in hot. With a launch expected in late 2026, this could steal the show at Apple's fall event. Who's ready to unfold the future? From its premium design to cutting-edge AI, the iPhone Fold is Apple's boldest move yet. Get ready for 2026 to be the year foldables go mainstream. GadInsider fam, are you hyped for the iPhone Fold? Would you drop $2,000 for it, or are you sticking with the classic iPhone? Drop it in the comments, and if you're pumped for the latest tech, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider.